All right.
And if I like it, I might do my magic project whatever.
Yeah.
And if I don't, then I'll do it.
Stem on that.
No, a lot.
Try something because if you can, so it helps you be outreach. You can add it to your focus, especially Right. But sure, do you have like a?
I don't have the intelligence.